55 series power shift. This cab is solid. It's not rusted, but it is a little ugly. Paint's coming off the top. Right fender beat up. Doesn't have to be replaced, but got some nice patina on it. Somebody's put a sticker on it, but it's not rusted out underneath the cab. So that's always a good place to start. The left fender's not, it's got a ding right there, maybe a little bit of tar. Door opens and shuts okay. Needs a little adjusting, but it's gonna need maybe some seals. It needs lower interior for sure. It's got a good seat cushions in it. Needs a headliner. So let's just say it needs new interior. Looks like the floorboard has never been out of it, so I'm sure there's some ugliness and cleanup underneath the floor mat. Wiring is here. We'd want to do a little checking on it. But basically a do-it-yourself fixer-upper.